Hey Legacy family, Judi Nield here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is awards. Success begets success. And buyers and sellers like to work with successful agents. So if you received an award, an accolade, a certification, a designation, be sure to promote those. Highlight them in your office, on your business cards, and online. Now, if you don't have clients in your office, you can still display them on the walls. Maybe they show up in pictures or on videos that you promote. On your business card, include one line or the images of the award or the designations following your title and DRE number. Online, you want to include them everywhere. On your About Me pages, on your profiles, on social media networks, and on real estate websites. Tout your success. Now, if you're new to the business or haven't quite hit your goals yet, look at that award as an achievement to obtain, a target. Focus on it, write it down, be the goal, and be consistent with your efforts. Of course, here's a quick tip from BoldTrail highlighting how to enhance your agent profile so that your accolades will show up on the company website and your agent website. Check it out. Showing you the end result first on LegacyREA.com. Under the agent section, you can click on Agent Roster, which takes you here, search for your name, which takes you to your individual profile, which showcases your About section, where you can highlight your awards and achievements. Also, on your own website, you can update your About Me section, title it whatever you want. And again, it's a repeat of that profile page where, again, you have your awards section on your own Legacy Agent website. So we're going to dive into BoldTrail. Log into BoldTrail at my.legacyrea.com. And to update your profile, click on your photo in the top right corner and select My Profile. Click Edit Profile and scroll down to the section that says About Me. Here you can list all of your awards, accolades, certifications, and designations. Then scroll up to the top and hit Save. Please note that any updates to your agent profile will take about 1 to 2 hours before they populate to the company website and your agent website. For more information about this or other Legacy tools, click the Learning Portal link or visit LegacyLearnCenter.com.